Hello, welcome to my new vlog, and today's vlog gonna be special because in today's vlog I will try to speak in English as much as possible. So here is today's weather looks really calm and really good. And also please do correct me if I do any grammar mistake in comment section. If you are someone who's willing to learn English language or who wants to improve their fluency in English, kindly do subscribe me and tell me guys. And also guys, do tell me in the comments, like, should I make vlogs in English like this as well on everyday basis or not? Okay, now it's like 10 o'clock in the morning, so I just woke up and now I'm gonna go and bath, and after that I will just brush up my teeth and I'll see you, I guess, in daytime or maybe in evening. So a week ago I ordered a screen projector from Swiggy Instamart and I used it for like a day. Just after using it for a day, it got some lagging issues and it was like lagging too much, and also some applications weren't working while using this screen projector. So what I did is I returned it to the store, and now I'm ordering a new one from Swiggy Instamart again, and I hope this time it's gonna be like worthy product and I hope it will work well. So whenever I will receive the product, I'll update you soon guys. I'll receive it probably in like 30 minutes, so right after bathing or after eating my dinner I'm gonna update you. So we'll see you in a while. Guys, I got this new projector and now it's working quite good. This is the one which I ordered and now it's working fine. Really impressed. So now I'm just gonna play some videos on it. So guys, now I'm on my terrace and it's 5 o'clock in evening, and here's the view. As you can see, the sunset is about to begin, not yet started. And what should I say more? It's kind of hard to speak alone because you don't have anyone else who can speak with you. So it's kind of hard to have conversation with yourself. But I have to speak in English because I took the challenge, so now I'm doing it. So let me show you around. So here are some of my neighbor houses, and that's like a city area, and some construction is going on there. You can see there are a lot of buildings. Some of them are in construction right now. There is a temple. If you see that mountain, there is a famous temple, and also next to this mountain there is also a castle. If you can see on that mountain there is a castle, and that's also a famous place. I guess I have shown all the things, so now I'm gonna talk about my today's situation. So today's day went really well. I did nothing interesting, but overall it was great. Tomorrow's day gonna be really hard because I'll have to go to job, so I'll have to make vlog earlier tomorrow, like at 7 o'clock in morning, or maybe more earlier, like 6 o'clock in morning. I won't be able to shoot anything in evening or in daytime or in night because I will be at my job, because my job timing is 1 o'clock to 10 o'clock at night. I must say it's kind of hard challenge to speak something when you don't know what you are saying. There's no one to speak with. And if you want to watch more English vlogs like this, you can follow me on Instagram. You can see my username over there or here, anywhere on the screen. And on my Instagram I'll post everyday vlogs in English. What you can do is just come up on your terrace and do walking and try to complete at least 2,000 to 3,000 steps. You don't need to count it, just walk on your terrace for at least 1 hour and you will be so healthy. Feel so good and you will feel so much healthier. So now I'm gonna do walking and we'll see you in a while. Guys, I have completed 2,000 steps and here's the view. And as you can see, the sun is already down. And now I have nothing to say, so I guess I'm gonna end this vlog. Some kids are flying the kite, like not flying the kite, like they are actually practicing. And overall weather looks pretty calm, looks pleasant, and now I'm gonna go back to my room. Guys, that's it for today. That's it for today. And I will see you in the next video, guys. Do take care of yourself. बाकी देखो, इंग्लिश बोलते बोलते मेरी ज़बान सूख गई है, तो अब मैं यहाँ पर चैलेंज को ख़त्म कर रहा हूँ। तो हिंदी बोलने का अलग मज़ा है। नो मैटर आप कहाँ जाओ, कितना भी आप इंग्लिश बोल दो, कोई भी भाषा बोल दो, हिंदी का अपना मज़ा है। जो भी इंडियन है वो समझ पाएंगे। बाकी देखो, मेरी ज़बान अभी सूख रही है और पानी पीने की मुझे सख्त ज़रूरत है। ऐसा लग रहा है पानी नहीं पिया मैंने सालों से। बाकी आप लोग बताना, आपको हिंदी में देखना या फिर इंग्लिश में देखना पसंद है ब्लॉग्स। बाकी आपसे मिलता हूँ अगले वीडियो में। अपना और अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखना। मिलते हैं अगले ब्लॉग में। बाय।